Hi everybody, I'm Chris.
Hi, I'm Kat.
And we are the Waterfall Chasers.
Hello.
Hello.
Sunny.
It's a beautiful day, yeah, absolutely blind of a day. Sun's out, happy days. So today we're off to a place, it's quite special to our hearts, Hill Tower. Lovely hike.
Got a bit of a climb.
Bit of a climb to get, yeah, and we look forward to showing you the waterfall, our very first waterfall that we discovered. So without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Well, we made it to the top. This is Hill Tower. And this is the view. A little bit windy today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start making our way down through the rocky landscape
Into the wood.
into the magical wood and
Find our waterfall.
find a waterfall.
Guess what we found?
Okay, so this place is Holcombe Brook. So it's actually part of Bury. If you live in Lancashire, live in England, or even the other side of the world, you can still come down here. It's worth it. Lots of woodland, and then Hill Tower is out in the plateau. Anyway, have a great day, and see you at the next one.